Hey, this is Paula Hines Lonergan, and this is my short review connecting to the Lume products. Now, this is my personal opinion and experience in connection to the products. I'm not, endorsed by them, nor am I being disparaging of them, but this is just my personal opinion on my YouTube channel, okay? Anyways, I was, attracted to the Lume products because of their advertising of baking soda free, aluminum free, cruelty free, as well as vegan. And the OBGYN who, created the product was looking for a product that was natural, did not contain as many chemicals as other products, and that got my attention. So I went from using baking soda under my arms to using native deodorant, which is also aluminum free and baking soda free, to using the Lume products. Now, as you can see, I purchased the regular deodorant. I purchased the whole body deodorant, and then I also purchased the whole body deodorant wipes. Now, which product did I like the most? Now, I like the fact that this is supposed to be 72-hour odor control. However, I found the dispensing of the product, although very interesting, you twist it at the bottom and it comes out in three little areas here. And this is the deodorant. So that was very unique for me, but not a problem by any means. It's like a cream that is dispensed out. And then, but now, did it provide the 72-hour protection? Well, not really. I mean, but granted, I'm a 50-something-year-old and I'm going through menopause with hot flashes. But I found the product did not work for me as far as controlling odor. Now, as far as the whole body deodorant, I found that that as well kind of burned when I put it in certain private parts, that it wasn't as sensitive to my skin as I needed it to be. But the product that I really did like, I love the body wipes, which are so wonderful to freshen up at any time. You stick them in your purse and carry them with you, or stick them in your car and carry them with you. And they're good for freshening up, and I find the smell to be very agreeable. I found the smell on the lavender sage items to be kind of clinical in a way, so I didn't like it as much, but the smell on the wipes are really, really, really good. I really appreciate them, and they're large in size and soft and great for freshening up. So now that's my thought connected to the Lume products. Now, have you tried the Lume products? I know they have other products which I haven't tried yet. I'd be interested to know if how they work in comparison to the ones that I purchased. Unfortunately, I did not contact the company in enough time because they do have a 60-day money back guarantee, but I did not contact them in time to actually return the items. But I find that I'm probably not going to use these very much, if at all, but I'll definitely continue to use these. Anyways, put in the comments your thoughts on the Lume product. All right, take care. Bye.